The operators can easily search for suppliers within Magnet JQS. The system enables users to efficiently search for suppliers, providing the possibility to narrow down the search results by using the filters, comparing the suppliers, as well as exporting data to find the perfect fit. Now let's see how it works in practice. Once you log into the solution, click the Supplier Search tab. Type some keywords in the search bar and choose where you want to search. In Company Names and IDs, which allows you to get the list of supplier companies by company name, existing organization numbers, customer ID, and DUNS number. In Categories, which allows you to get the list of supplier companies by category code UNSPSC via exact match or by word or phrase from the category title. Or Everywhere except company names, which allows you to get the list of supplier companies by category code UNSPSC or any word plus numbers. After you click the search button, the system will display the results, list of supplier cards, according to your search parameters. You will also see the general number of suppliers that fit your search parameters. The supplier card will provide you with brief information about the supplier. It includes the following information: company name, logo, ID, organization number, DUNS number, previous or alternative names, credit rating, role, categories, products and services, which will help you to get an instant understanding of the supplier. You are also able to narrow down your search results using the filters. You are offered to use a variety of filters when searching for suppliers. Company status, where you can choose active, restricted, or all. Locations, where you can type in and search within a country, a city, or even an address. Certifications, audits, and flags, where you can filter on the type of certification, audit, and flag. Subscribe to and references. If you tick them, you will search within the suppliers you are subscribed to and suppliers that have some references. Categories, where all possible categories and their subtypes open in the form of a tree, and you can choose the most relevant one or several ones. Roles, to choose within distributor, manufacturer, service provider, or all. Number of employees, where you can enter the range of the supplier employee's number. Hashtags. Turnover. By default, the currency is NOK, but you can choose the currency you need. In EQ Hub, if you tick it, the company will be added to the search results if at least one category has an EQ Hub connection. After you click Apply Filters, the search results will narrow down to the parameters you have chosen. The chosen filters will also be displayed under the search bar on the top of the page. You can clear all filter choices by pressing the Reset to Default button, and some specific ones by deleting them straight from the Filters panel. You can also use the comparison function to choose the best supplier to fit your requirements. To compare several suppliers, you need to select their cards on the search results page and press the button Compare. You can also compare all suppliers by clicking the Select All button. On the comparison results page, you will see the dynamic table with the corresponding columns on the different parameters of selected companies. In general, you will see two sections: Overview, a table with all selected suppliers' profiles for comparison. Parameters, list of the financial parameters applicable for the comparison. By default, this section is displayed with a set of pre-selected parameters. Some of the parameters, or all of them, can be unchecked to make the comparison process easier. There is the currency converter in the top right corner, which reflects the last selected currency value. You're also able to change the currency. You also have the possibility to download the comparison report. It can be downloaded in .xlsx or .csv format by clicking the Create Report button. In the report, you will find the comparison results of the selected suppliers by defined search and financial parameters. You can export not only the reports on the comparison results, but also the general reports with extended information about companies that appeared in your search results. To do so, you need to choose the format .xlsx or .csv, type of report, standard, custom or flagged supplier, and press the Create Report button. The report will be downloaded to your computer.